the weight you were doing before. So here's how to get back to deadlifting after being in pain. So first thing you're gonna do is stand in your regular deadlift stance and just practice quarter reps. So I'm just sliding my hands down my thighs, getting to the point where I can comfortably reach my shin, and that's where the bar should be. Once you get pretty comfortable at this one, we can progress it into the next step, which involves deadlifting with bands. So step on the band, and again, moving through range of motion. You can progress by using a stronger band like this red one here. Once you get pretty comfortable, we can progress into some free weight. So we're just using some dumbbells and using a weight that is pretty comfortable while maintaining good technique. Once you get better, you can again increase the weight of this dumbbell to the point where you can handle the next step, which is a barbell. So just practicing the technique, empty barbell, really focusing on the technique. As you get better, you can increase the weight. So the main thing to focus on with these exercises is to be uncomfortable, not painful. When you feel comfortable, you can add in a bit of speed, and then when you're ready, you can get back to deadlifting.